Okay. A very good day to everybody, and this is Dr. Rekha Manoj from CSE Department, Associate Professor, Dr. MGR University. And here to give a short introduction in terms of data science. So when I speak about data science from a layman point of view, let us just think, just time travel and just go 10, 15 years back, right? So how was data during that period of time? Do we have anything like prediction model? Did we have anything like analysis? Did we have anything like visualization? We didn't have anything as such, right? It was just a data, that's all. We just had it in our records, in our hard copy. We didn't have any prediction model as such. But now when I see about data science, or when I have to speak about data science, data is going to be playing a very crucial point in every aspect, not only in terms of technology, but even in terms of medicine or whatnot, I should say. So here, when I speak about data science, the data is being administered by the data administrator and then followed by the data analysis and then going ahead with data prediction. Now there is a course for data science itself where multiple various jobs are there in terms of data science, right? So when I speak about prediction model, so what does this prediction say? Why it was not there earlier and why is it now, and why it is so much vital in today's trend? So let us see about that, a short introduction. All right. So when I speak about data prediction, what can I do with the existing data? Supposing I have a data of an organization for the last 1 year. I can see just the current data of that particular organization. But if I want to calculate the profit or the loss or predict how will my profit be for my organization in the upcoming years, I have to pull the data for the previous 10-15 years and I have to work out. This is for the industry point of view. The same thing can be done in terms of weather predictions. So initially, that is during our grandmother's time or during our ancestors' time, we didn't have any prediction as such about rainfall or cyclone or anything as such, right? But now we are getting the perfect prediction. When will rain come? When will cyclone come? When will there be flood? That is because of the analysis which we are doing in terms of the predictive model. So that is where your data is going to play a very crucial role, not only in technology but in various aspects, is what I said. So let us get deep into the concept of DBMS. So now we know what is a data, right? So now we know what is prediction also. So starting up with data, so the data has been collected and then administered by the data administrator. So when you're going to collect the data, the administrator takes up the job or responsibility to maintain it, and from there the analysis happens. So what do I mean by analysis over here? Or I can even say data visualization. So when I predict or when I see a data in terms of images, or more specifically if I want to say in terms of graphs or maps, so in that aspect my viewpoint is going to be totally different. So we all watch IPL cricket match, right? So have you ever noticed the performance of a player or the performance of a team? They generally show in terms of a graph. So why do we think they show in terms of a graph? Because it is very easily understandable for everybody when it is in terms of a graph. And the most important thing is that we could analyze the performance of a player as well. So that is why not only in cricket match, because I have given you an example, but in various other sectors, even in industry point of view, generally when the data is being visualized in terms of graphs or maps, then the analysis is going to be a different level. So once the analyzation is done, then what is going to be your next concept? That is going to be your predictive. So when you analyze, yes, this is how this particular player is performing for the last 10-15 matches, then how will he perform in the next upcoming matches? That is going to be my prediction. So what am I going to do in this aspect? I am going to collect the data of that particular particular player, analyze it by means of data visualization, and I'm going to predict how that player is going to perform in the next upcoming matches. And that is how the whole IPL game is also going ahead at the back end. So it's not only, as I said, it's not only in IPL or technology, in various other aspects, in majorly in terms of social cause also, data prediction plays a very, very vital role. So thank you so much. I think this is fine.